How to fix Money Network app not working. Hello everybody, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick guide on how we can fix the issue of your Money Network app not working. So for that, you need to follow some steps. But before following those steps, I want you to make sure that you hit the like, share, subscribe option. So let's get started. So the very first thing you need to do is check if your app is updated or not. For that, you need to go to Google Play Store. After going to the Play Store, just tap on the search bar and search for the given app, Money Network. After searching for it, you need to tap on the given app, and here you will see the update option. If your app needs any kind of update, just tap on update and wait for the update to be completed. After that, even if this process doesn't work, then what we can do is just go to the settings of the app. For that, you need to tap on this app, long press on it, and here you can see the eye icon. When you tap on it, you get to the settings of the app. Here under usage storage, just tap on storage, and here are two options of clearing data and clearing cache. So the first thing I want you to do is tap on clear cache and see if that fixes the issue or not. If that doesn't, then just tap on clear data and reset your app. After that, even if this process doesn't work, then the last thing we can do is just uninstall the app from your device and reinstall it. For that, just tap on uninstall and wait for the app to be installed. After the installation is complete, just tap on reinstall and your app is ready to work again. It will fix your issue of your app not working. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.